Hi, Wind White Watercolors here again. The sun has come out, so I'm able to paint again. And paint something new. It's a scene in Hawaii. I think the island is Kauai. I've done it before, but I don't have the painting. This is the scene. And try to get the colors right. And I'm putting this water in with, this is called a Heiki brush. They're made in Japan. I'm going to put right along the horizon, I'm putting a gold. Come in with some red. Add some blue up there. Let it bleed down. Vermilion, green, and maybe some cerulean. Painted the sky in the foreground, and so I'm waiting for the paint to dry, and then I'm going to put in the palm trees. Last thing I do. I'll start over here with the one on the right. I'm back with a small brush to put in the rest of that palm tree. Okay. Establish where those palm trees are. See, this one is down here lower, right about here. I'm going to come back with this small brush, put all the tops of the palm trees in. And you really don't have to make it exactly as you see it. You can kind of make things up as you go. A pine tree is a pine tree. I'm going to make this tree bigger. I think we're about done. I've done about as much as I can on this painting. Not great. I didn't like the paper. I've been having a heck of a time with paper. Getting the colors to blend, but this basically is what it looks like. In the Kauai and the country of Hawaii. So next time you visit there, you might look for this scene. Okay, until next time, this is Wayne White signing off.